Okay, good morning children. Today I want to explain about exercise 1.2. So exercise 1.2 already I told about rational number and an irrational number. What is a called a rational number means? A rational number is, what is a rational number? Any number which can be expressed in the form of p by q. Any number which can be expressed in the form of p by q is called a rational number. So next already I told irrational number. Irrational number means a number which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q is called a irrational number. Already I told non-terminating, non-repeating decimals is also called irrational number. And that means the first bit here root 27. So root 27 means 27, if you do 3 table 9 times, 3 table 3 times, that can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. That is 3 into 3 into 3 means 3 square into 3. That can be written as root of 3 square into root of 3. 3 cancel, 3 root 3. That means here 27 is not a perfect square. 27 is not a perfect square. That's why root 27 is means directly you can write irrational number. That is irrational. So it is root 27. 27 is not a perfect square. You know perfect square means 4 perfect square because it can be written as 2 square. 9 perfect square. 9 can be written as 3 square. 16 is a perfect square because it can be written as 4 square. So like that root 27 means it is a irrational number. So what is the reason means? Simple, you can write 27 is not a perfect square. 27 is not a perfect square. If you take second example, root 441. Root 441 means if you do LCM, 441, 3 table 1 time, 3 table 1 time, 4 times, 7 times. Again 3 table 4 times, 9 times. 7 table 7 times, 7 table 1 time. 3 and 7, that is 3 square into 7 square. That is root of 3 into 7 whole square. That is root of 21 whole square. This will cancel. This will be 21. That means 441 value, root of 441 is equal to 21. That is a rational number. So this is a rational. This is a rational. Simply, why it is rational? Because 441 is a perfect square. 441 can be written as 21 square. Next, 30.23234 and so on. That is, this is a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. This is a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. So this is, by definition, this is also irrational. This is also irrational. A non-terminating, non-repeating decimal is irrational. If you take here 7.48484848, that means the digits are 4848 are repeating. Already I told 7.48 means you are 4848 means we are able to convert into a rational number. You know how to measure that one? 7.484848 and means already I told in the beginning exercise we have to take x equal to 7.4848 and so on. Have to multiply 100 on both sides. You will get. That is a rational number. That is a non-terminating repeating decimal is always a rational number. A non-terminating repeating decimal is a rational number. This is 11.21324. That means non-terminating, non-repeating. That is any digits are not repeating here, but it is continuously going. So this is irrational. Here also 0.30, next 300, 300, and so on. This is also non-terminating, non-repeating. That is, this is also irrational. So children, what is rational number means? In decimals point of view, non-terminating, repeating decimal is a rational number. What is a rational? Rational is non-terminating, repeating decimal is a rational number. If irrational means irrational means non-terminating and also non-repeating. Non-terminating and non-repeating. So this is the difference. Observe everyone carefully. Rational means non-terminating, repeating. Irrational number means non-terminating, non-repeating is called a irrational number. So here, first root 27. 27 is not perfect square. So that's why root 27 is a irrational number. But root 441 means it is a 441 is a perfect square, because 441 can be written as 21 square. So it is a rational number. This is a non-terminating, non-repeating, so that it is irrational number. This is a non-terminating, repeating, that is also rational. So like this, by definition also, by seeing definition, you are able to justify or conclude that one given decimal is a rational or irrational. In the now question number 2, they asked give the difference between rational and irrational by an example. So this is the question number 1. Now I am going to explain question number 2. Children, now I am going to explain the question number 2. Explain with an example how an irrational number differ from a rational number. So in the question number 1 only we tested that one, so many examples. Simple. By definition, what is rational number? Rational number means, already I told, a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, or a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal is a non-terminating, repeating decimal. So a non-terminating, repeating decimal is called rational number. Is called rational number. Example means already you told 3.6767 and so on. That means 3.67 bar. So this is a non-terminating, repeating decimal. Irrational number means irrational number. What is irrational number? A non-terminating, their repeating means here non-repeating. A non-terminating, non-repeating decimal is called irrational number. So irrational number. Example means you have to write anything. 31.02, 002, 0002 and so on. Here they are non-terminating, non-repeating. So this is irrational number. Anybody asks to give example means you have to write like that. So rational, what is the difference between rational and irrational means? Only one difference. The rational number is non-terminating, repeating, whereas irrational number means non-terminating, non-repeating. This is one of the model definition. In the other model is a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q is called a rational number. A number which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q is called irrational number. So now question number 3. Find an irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. How many more there may be? So first they give rational number 5 by 7. So first you have to do, here the fraction they give, that's why you have to do normal division. That means numerator inside is there, denominator inside is there. That means you have to division 5 with 7. Here 5 is smallest number, is not divisible by 7 means you have to keep 0.0. 7 sevens are 49. If you do subtraction 1, already decimal is 0 means 0. 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7, 3. Point is there. 7 fours are 28. 30 minus 28, 2. That means 0. 2 sevens are 14. That is 6. Next. Point is there means 6. 7 eights are 56. that is 4. Again 0.3 means 0. 7 5s are 35. So remainder 5. If you continue like this, you will get, you will not get remainder, either remainder 0 or same remainder. That means different remainder will get that one. So the process will continue. The process will continue. So 0.741825, like that. If you take 7 by 9, that means 7 with 9, you are doing 7 by 9, not possible. So 0 point have to keep 7. 9 table, 9 9s are 81, 9 8s are 72, 9 7s 63. That is 9 7s are 63 minus 7. That means 90 minus 63, you will get 0. Again 9 7s are 63, you will get remainder 7, like this here. So 0.777 and so on. Here 0.5 will become, means you will get 0.714825 and bar and so on. So you have to stop this one. Same remainder getting. Therefore 5 by 7 equal to 0.714285 bar. That means 5 remainder already are having 5 remainder, same remainder you got. So that continue 0.714285 bar. If you take 7 by 9, 7 by 9 equal to, you will get 0.7 bar. So 0.7 bar means 0.77 and so on. But you have to write an irrational number between them. An irrational number between them means, first one you are having 0.71428 bar and so on. That means you have to take only 0.71. Just I am writing 0.7 less than 0.77. This value 0.77. Just I am taking two places consideration. Two places consideration. So I am fixed here 0.71. I fixed here 0.77. Two places I am taking. Here also two places. So I want to insert irrational number between them. 0.71, 0.77 means we have to write 3 irrational, 4 irrational. Just you have to write like this: 0.71, 01, 001, 0001, and so on. Next 0.72, 03, 003, 003, and so on. Like the 0.73, 04, 004, 004, like that. You have to write infinitely many irrationals are there. Infinitely many irrationals. Irrational are there. Are there between two rational number. Again, children, see that one. 5 by 7. I am doing division with 5 by 7. So if you do division 5 by 7, you will get 0.714825 bar. That means 0.714285 bar. I am taking two places. For calculation purpose, I am taking two places. That is equal to 0.71. Next 7 by 9, you are getting 0.7. You got same remainder. What is the remainder at the beginning? 7. That only you are getting 7. That means I stopped that one. 0.77 and so on. That is 0.7 bar. That is 0.77. We have to know 0.71 less than 0.77. 0.77, 71 less than 0.77. So we have to write an irrational between them. Like that, 7177. Compare that one. 0.7 and you keep 01, 001, 0001, 00, like that you keep. 0.72, 03, 03, anything you have to keep, no problem. But it will be non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. It will be non-repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. So you are able to write like this infinitely many. That means so many irrational number you are able to write. So from this you conclude that between two rational numbers you are able to write so many irrational numbers. Anybody also, there are two irrational. How many irrational number between two rational numbers means how many rational numbers are there between two rational numbers? Already in the beginning, you know, there are so many rational numbers between two rational numbers. Like that, here also, so many irrationals are there between two rational numbers. So children, this is our concept, this one today. So all these practice, today's practice this one very much. Already I explained exercise 1.4. So practice everyone exercise 1.4. There may be examination for you, assignment 1, maybe end of this month. Okay. So practice everyone. If any have doubt means please come on Monday to the campus and ask your doubts. Thank you.